What's up, guys? This is MrSettin007. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share. Now let's get to that video.
Guys, this is MrSettin007. I'm going to be taking off this door panel for the CLK 500. I want to fix this attachment here. I kind of rigged it earlier when I took it out before, but now I'm going to actually take off the whole door panel. So this is how to take off the door panel for a CLK 500 W209. There's a piece under here that holds it. I'm going to use this pry stick. I'm going to take this out. Kind of took it out a little bit already. So it's right under here, located on the door panel. There's some hex screws that you got to take out on the end here, the Mercedes. There's 3 here, and I believe this one here has to come out as well. Let's see, this one up top, we're going to use a T15. Take it out. Just going to take these screws out here. These help secure the top piece of the door card. Just drop these screws here. And then this one, take it out. This Torx, I don't know what number is this. T25 it says. T25 at the bottom of the door here. Secure it in there. There we go. Tighten that up. T25 right here. It's going to go in to take out this piece. Alright, so that should be loose. And now I don't think there's anything else. Just have to pry out the sides. Slowly but surely. Let me move this piece actually. Alright. Oh, this side piece here, I gotta move that out, I believe. Yeah. Put this down. I think it's still this one here. Yep. Switch out. Alright, so the craftsmanship of Mercedes, as you can see, some of these older vehicles, that's why I like them, because of the craftsmanship. The new ones, they look nice, but they may be a little more difficult to work on depending on what's wrong with them. Alright, so we're just going to go around, loosen it up. Alright, slowly but surely. I don't think there's any more screws. Whoa, wow, a lot of broken pieces. This hasn't been opened before. Okay. I'll go all the way around. Should be able to lift it up. Pull from the bottom. Lift up. I don't know if there's anything else I'm missing here. I don't believe so. So, let's see. Apart. Just trying to see if there's anything else that's holding it. Sometimes you gotta lift it and push up to release it. You know what? Maybe there's something behind the trim. Let me see if the trim comes off. I believe it does. Let's see. See if it pops out. Whoops. Oh gosh. I don't want to break it. Shit. Let's see if I can catch the corner. It should pop out, I believe. No, maybe not. Yeah, I don't want to break this trim. Start cracking it more than it's already cracked. Okay, let's see. Let me see if I can take this out. Tweeter. Okay, that just pops out. Good. Alright. Let's see if this will pop up. Okay, so it looks like it does pop up. It's just tight. Okay. Alright, so it does pop up. Ooh, good thing I didn't try and continue with this trim. Cracked it up a little bit. Alright, here we go. So I just gotta loosen or remove this, right? This part here has a little section that it slides into. Here we go. And so that unhooks the pull for the door. I'm gonna slide that through here. This is controls for, I assume, probably airbags, stuff like that. This is for the door control. Little clip in here, you just pull, you move it back, you pull to unlock it, or unhook it rather. This piece here is for the light at the bottom. So this comes out here. The bottom light, let me see. I can probably unhook it here. And then just unhook it here. I can remove that. Let's see, should pop out. There we go. Alright, so that's how you remove the door card for CLK 500. This is a convertible W209. It's going to go with the CLK 320. All the W209 body should be the same. Okay? Like and subscribe.